Hi, I'm Gilda Tate. I'm the First Officer of Grantham Rurals. I have been in the service almost 30 years and I thoroughly enjoy my job. When I first joined, I started to do something to assist my community. Ever since then, I have just grown more and more to love what I do. The thing I see most is a lot of complacency. People always wait until a disaster hits and don't be proactive before something hits. We can be wet for quite a long time and then all of a sudden everything just dries out. Once it dries out, then you don't have the time frame in which to prepare things. So if you just do it gradually and keep up, then you don't have the problem of when something actually hits that it's a mad rush to get things done. So there's a lot of preparation people can do to prevent their properties being impacted. Just be aware of what's around you. Cleaning the gutters out, mowing your lawn. Don't have grass that is up to your hips close to your house. It's just simple things like that that assists us. Every little bit a landowner or a house owner does to assist us makes our job so much easier.